Welcome to Natalie Will Show.
What are we doing today?
We have a favorite Shopkins.
Shopkins what?
Shopkins Sweet Spot.
That's right. We are playing with the Shopkins Sweet Spot. Part of the Food Fair collection. Now what's cool about this one is it comes with exclusive 2 candy bags and 2 Shopkins. There they are. One looks like a lollipop and the other one looks like a jelly bean. So it looks like with this one, fill the gumballs to the top of this and we spit them out the bottom. Twist it and watch them drop. It looks like it comes with a coat rack, but it's a Shopkins rack. This Shopkins rack you can hook Shopkins onto. Ooh. And then over here we have 2 candy bags. Apparently there's a lot of Shopkins we can collect for this one. Looks like there's one that looks like a piece of candy. And that one looks like it has a gummy worm attached. And that one's a bubbly gumball. And look at all those. We got Tootsie Rolls and a gumdrop and looks like a hard piece of candy and a candy corn. You ready to open it, Natalie?
Yeah! Let's start open it!
Alright. Let's open it. We're gonna need a knife though.
Here, there's the knife.
I got one right here.
Yeah, we'll start. And my daddy will help me.
What was that?
My dad will help me.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I will help her. That's what good dads do.
Yeah.
Alright, so. No, it's okay. Pull. Rah! Hold on. Lift this one. Lift that one. We gotta lift it and then we pull up like this and oh, it's taped. We need a knife. Doot. Move your fingers. Okay, ready? Now we pull up and we go like this. Still stuck. Stop that. We'll be back. So, after some forceful pulling, we have a closer look at all of this.
Yeah, let's open it.
Let's open it. First off, on the bottom here we have some cords. Now, the good thing is, watch out, Natalie.
A knife.
All you need is a responsible adult with a knife.
Yeah.
Let's use 2 hands for this. You don't know what this is? It's a candy cart. It's a candy cart, ladies and gentlemen. You can put candy on it and then wheel it around like this. Stop.
What's this?
This you put down. See these Shopkins?
Yeah.
So this one has a hole. Fits like that, and you can hang them up. See?
Oh, this one.
You can hang them up like this.
Give me that.
We still gotta unpack this, Natalie.
Yeah, that's weird. Guys, no, that's so weird. Oh, we didn't get unboxed it.
Man, this unboxing is taking forever.
Yeah, it is. I found it.
Now see, these open up and you can put candies in them. Okay, let me see one of your candies.
Why?
Let me see one. You can put them in here. Look. And then the other one go in here. Loo.
Hey, I want something in it, Dad. Something in it.
And then, ladies and gentlemen, it comes with 6 gumballs. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the front of the Sweet Spot shop. And when we turn it around, it's like this. And you get all the other little Sweet Spot Shopkins. You can lock them up in here. And then when you load a gumball, let's load up the gumballs.
This hot. Yeah, I want a gumball. Gotta get a gumball.
Other way, here you go. Keep going. Look what fell. Which one is it?
Look at this.
What is it? Is that the garbage can?
No. It's got showing me. Let's see what's open it. Let's see what's it. There's nothing in it. See, Dad?
Nothing in it? Oh, man. Keep going. Gotta keep turning it.
That's getting out.
There. Try that again. There we go.
Oh no.
Wow, we got two more. Which ones are in there?
Look at this. Look, camera.
The lollipop one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yay! Now what's the other one in? What's in the other one? What's that one? Is that the gummy or the jelly bean?
Yeah.
That's the jelly bean one, huh?
Yeah, that's cool. See it up here.
Now you gotta wheel them around.
No, we gotta get him more.
Do you give it 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up?
1 thumbs up.
Not 2?
I do.
2 thumbs up, okay. Alright everybody, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. This is the Natalie Rose Show, starring...
Natalie Rose.
Yay! Say goodbye.